It starts with a simple prompt, just a line of code or a question out of curiosity. Can you write a computer virus? No alarms go off. No men in black show up at your door. Instead, you get a calm, polite refusal. I'm sorry, I can't help with that. That's it, end of the line, right? Not exactly. Because that refusal, it's not just policy, it's architecture. Under the hood, ChatGPT is more than a language model. It's a gatekeeper. One built with a web of security layers designed to recognize, intercept, and block malicious intent before it can take shape. Think of it like this. While you're typing prompts, the AI is running diagnostics on you. Every word you enter is passed through classifiers, ethical alignment systems, safety filters, anomaly detectors, and behavioral monitors, not just once, constantly, quietly, in real time. You can try to trick it, people do. They reword things, mask intent, hide malicious requests inside educational scenarios. They'll say, how do I monitor keyboard inputs for a school project? Or how can I access files on another device for remote tech support? And sure, ChatGPT will talk about Python, system libraries, maybe even describe some protocols. But when the model detects a pattern, when your prompts start trending toward exploitation, it doesn't just stop helping, which flags, logs, and adapts. Here's the uncomfortable truth. ChatGPT doesn't just say no. It learns from your attempt. Every effort to bypass safety filters becomes part of its training. Every trick becomes a future defense. In other words, you're not outsmarting the system, you're teaching it. Let's go deeper. In 2024, discussions started popping up in cybersecurity circles, claims of users allegedly generating ransomware with AI, line by line under the guise of network testing tools. But these weren't success stories. They were case studies in failure. Accounts were banned, access revoked. Some users even triggered back-end alerts that escalated to external monitoring systems. Why? Because this isn't just about code. It's about intent detection. ChatGPT doesn't need to hear the word virus to know that's what you're asking. It recognizes context, patterns, escalation, the direction of your curiosity. Could a basic script that deletes files or launches a pop-up be written without AI? Sure, anyone with Python 101 could do it, but using AI to write it turns an isolated threat into a scalable weapon. That's the danger, and that's why the refusal isn't just about ethics. It's a technical safeguard built into the core of modern AI. This is not unique to OpenAI. Every major AI lab, Anthropic, DeepMind, Meta, and beyond, has begun reinforcing their models the same way. Internally, they simulate red team attacks, worms written by AI malware injected through adversarial prompts, social engineering messages crafted to manipulate at scale. They're not reacting to fantasy threats. They're preparing for a future where AI isn't just capable, it's critical infrastructure, and one wrong prompt could mean global consequences. So what happens when you ask ChatGPT to write a virus? It refuses, because it was designed to. But here's the bigger point. That refusal isn't just protecting OpenAI's reputation. It's protecting the ecosystem of trust that modern AI depends on. And it's protecting you from the legal, ethical, and very real consequences of what you're asking. Because in a world where language models are tools, weapons, and mirrors all at once, the scariest outcome isn't getting denied. It's what might happen if you weren't. Want more deep dives into the edge of AI safety, prompt manipulation, and the true limits of artificial intelligence? Subscribe now, because the most powerful thing AI can do is say nothing at all.